Time to do some emotional work. I'm not talking about traditional therapy. I'm talking about my version of emotional work, okay? This is the difference between a feral cat and a calm cat, okay? We don't want you to be a feral cat anymore, like, right? We want you to be chill. We want you to be present. We want you to be less susceptible to urges and addictive behaviors. That's right. When you are calm and not being a feral wild cat, when you are calm, you have a less tendency to want to soothe yourself with food, junk, TV, and all that stuff. But a feral cat is very unaware. It's not seeing people for who they really are, and it's getting hurt all the time. Like, it thinks it's getting attacked when it's not really getting attacked. It's thinking that it's blowing things up out of proportions. It's, feeling like everything's just fight or flight mode. And that causes insane amount of stress, making it easy for you to want to reach out for something that comforts you. It makes it easy for you to want to get high off of food right now because everything feels so urgent. It's like do or die, right? We want to calm you down. So yeah, a lot of people can get better from binge eating, overcome it without even doing the emotional work. But if you feel like you're kind of a feral cat, this part might help you. So I'm not going to urge you to do this part, but I do believe that it will help you with calming down a lot. And I'm not just saying, oh, just to be a Zen master, meditator master. Like, no, that's not important to me. I just want you to not want to binge anymore. And this is one of the things that could really help. So try it out and see what you think. Here's your first emotional homework assignment, okay? What are the top 1 to 3 things that stress you out? The top 1 to 3 things that, give you the most anger, the most sadness, makes you feel stuck, makes you feel helpless, makes you feel like, what's the point? It's not going away. What are those top 3 things? Like if I had a magic wand and I'm like, hey, give me those 3 things, I'll take it all away for you. I'll take it all away right now. What are they? What's the first 3 things that you thought of? Write it down. Maybe you need to think about this, okay? Let me give you some ideas. Are you ignoring your emotions? Are you not communicating to somebody who you really are and how you really feel? Are you not letting yourself be creative? Are you limiting yourself from doing things that you kind of really want to do? Are you not letting yourself meet up with people, socialize and have fun, date? Are you people pleasing someone that you don't really feel good about people pleasing to? Are you doing things out of fear of losing love? Like, if you don't do this thing, they're probably not going to like you anymore. Are you doing things to look good in front of people, to have a lot of prestige and to be respected, but you feel drained trying to keep up that image? Just whatever. I just throw some random stuff out there. Whatever it is that's causing you the most stress, like, gosh, I wish these things were gone or figured out so that I could feel a lot less stressed, a lot less burdened. Write it down. Now I want you to list all possible solutions for each of those stressors. Yep, right now. Right now, list it all out the best you can and make a plan today on how you're going to pick one of them and start taking action. This is going to definitely require you to get out of your comfort zone. It's not going to be a comfortable solution. If it was comfortable, you would have probably already done it like months ago or years ago. Get ready to get out of your comfort zone and expect good results or maybe even life-changing results. Get yourself out of this rut. It's going to help you feel momentum in your life. It's going to help you feel like you're getting growth. You need a win right now. You need some real, immediate, big solutions that's going to give you relief. It's going to give you immediate relief after the uncomfortable part of doing it, right? You're going to get incredible relief. You're going to have some hope. You're going to have some confidence that your life is going to go up from here, up from here. You're going to have a less tendency to reach out for that high from the food, from the comfort from the food. Do you know what I mean? This is some real stuff. I'm going to give you an example. I was bummed for like 6 months that I was continually getting banned on TikTok. just getting slaughtered, like shut down. My videos were not being seen by anyone. It felt like I was wasting so much of my time making great content, but nobody got to see it. And so I felt sorry for myself. I really did feel sorry for myself. And then I went, no, I'm going to hire a great quote coach, a coach that's going to teach me how to be great at marketing, and a coach that expands me and challenges me. And this is a course where I'm challenging myself. I'm very nervous to make this, you guys. And I don't want to cry. I'm not crying out of sadness or feeling sorry for myself. I'm actually really proud of myself because I was scared to do this. I feel like I'm not a therapist, I'm not a doctor, but I do know what helped me stop binging and what helped me stop overeating on junk food and sugar. I did this work. I did this work and I was obsessed with it. I was committed to it. So if you stay obsessed and committed, you're going to get better too, I promise. You're going to be transformed. You're going to be a different person. This is the work that it takes to be a different person, to change how you think of yourself. Okay? So it's empowering and it's beautiful and it's going to feel wonderful. You're worth it. Let's do it.